Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can download and install iOS 16.1 RC which is out now but it's not showing here. Then I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem and how you can download and install iOS 16.1 RC on your iPhone. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. First of all, click on your Safari browser here. So once you are here, click on search icon and search for the beta profiles. Then simply open the second website right here, as you can see. Click on it. Now just wait, scroll down and you will see the iOS 16.1 RC. Click on install profile, then simply click on install. Click on allow. Now go to your iPhone setting, then go to VPN and device management. Now click on install, enter your iPhone passcode, then simply click on install. Now click on not now. Now simply go to software update section and here you will see iOS 16.1. Then simply click on download and install, enter your iPhone passcode. Then it will start downloading the software, so it will take some time, depends on your internet connection. So thanks for watching guys.